there, my name is Dr. Marissa May, and in this video, we're going to take a look at simplifying an expression using the order of operations. Now, you'll remember the order of operations includes parentheses, then exponents, then multiply or divide, add or subtract. So as we look at this expression, those exponents are jumping out to me only because I don't see any parentheses. So I actually get to skip the parentheses step and jump straight to the exponents. So let's focus in on this 2 to the third power. I have a lot of students who want to say that's 2 times 3. However, I caution you because 2 to the third power actually means 2 times 2 times 2. You'll notice that I'm multiplying 2 by itself 3 times. And that's how I get 8 for 2 to the third power. Look at the bottom as well. 4 to the second power. Again, watch, you don't want to fall into the trap of doing 4 times 2 because that's not what 4 to the second power means. 4 to the second power means 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. You can see where I replaced the 4 to the second with a 16 in the denominator. All right, now that we've done the exponent step, let's do the multiply or divide. So looking at the top of this expression, you can see the 6 times 5 gave me 30. Now I get to subtract, but I'm going to subtract on the top and I'm going to subtract on the bottom. So on the top, 30 minus 8 gives me 22. And on the bottom, 20 minus 16 gives me 4. So 22 fourths here. Now, I have a lot of people who want to go to 5 and 2 fourths, but most of the time in algebra, we don't go to a mixed number. Instead, we leave it as what we call an improper fraction. That's where the big number's on the top. But we simplify it if we can. So I'm seeing that 22 and 4 are both divisible by 2. So if I divide both of them by 2, I'll get 11 halves. And that's how we simplify this expression using our order of operations.